Hey guys, you guys can see I have a new background. Oh, I just hit my leg. Isn't it pretty? Thank you to one of my wonderful subscribers and group members for getting this. I love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Can't thank you enough. Also, if you'll notice, I've got lipstick on today. You can't hardly see it. It's a light color, which I like. I'm not a huge lipstick or makeup wearer, but my lips have been really dry and chapped. And I've got like a crack right in the corner of my mouth. So I decided today I would put some on. And I love it. It's not like really, really bright, but it's enough to put moisture in my lips. So thank you to another subscriber that sent me that. You guys are the best. All the love and support since I've been doing this channel has been amazing. Okay guys, I had to stop, but I'm back. And I also wanted to tell all the new YouTubers out there, Denture YouTubers, that I am here for support. If there's anyone that needs help with anything, please reach out to me. Please reach out to me. I'll always put my email in the description. You can reach me there, or you can get me on Facebook, either or. So if you have any questions or need help with anything, don't hesitate. This is not a competition for me. I do this strictly to support people because I know what I went through, and it's a very, very emotionally draining experience to have your teeth extracted. You know, most of us have other things going on in our lives. It's a lot. So I am here to uplift and support. That goes for people that are getting their teeth extracted, getting dentures, implants, or people that have just started a YouTube channel. Okay, so today I kind of wanted to talk about aftercare. For implants, implant aftercare. This is something that I have been thinking about, especially since I just went for the consult on my lowers. You guys know that I have not got quoted a price yet for the work, but he had said something to me about possibly doing the all-on-4 procedure on the lowers. Here are my thoughts on this, okay? I've been thinking a lot about this. Okay, if I can or am able to come up with the money to have the all-on-4 procedure done, am I going to be able to afford the aftercare cost of that? That is something that you really, really need to keep in mind, okay? Coming up with the money to have the extractions and implants put in is one thing, okay? I've done that on the tops. Now, I have to be concerned going forward with the upkeep. You don't just have extractions and get implants and get your snap-in denture or your all-on-4 bridge and you're done with it. These implants do develop tartar on them like regular teeth, and they have to be professionally cleaned. Now, one thing good about the snap-in denture, which I like, is that you can take it out daily and you can brush the implants and the gums and soak the denture. With the all-on-4, you cannot. Now, that's something that really has me leaning or going against having the all-on-4 procedure done on my lowers. I would absolutely love to be able to have that done and not have to worry about it. But there's also the thought of me, I wouldn't be able to take that out. Bacteria in food is going to get under that. At least with the snap-in denture, I can take that out, rinse it off, and like I said, brush the implants. With the all-on-4, you can't do that. That's a screw-in bridge that can only be removed by your dentist. And you have to go at least once a year to have that removed and professionally cleaned, preferably twice. I think they're going to tell you twice a year. Now, even with the snap-in route, you're supposed to go twice a year to have the implants professionally cleaned. But like I said, at least I can do some upkeep or keep up with it as best as I can, because I can remove mine. Now, a lot of people in my group have also had single implants placed with crowns. I am not real familiar with the maintenance and aftercare of those, but I did read, and I did read somewhere, on DearDoctor.com, that when you have the single tooth implants and a crown, that you're supposed to take the crown off each day and clean off the biofilm or the bacteria and the plaque that gets on those. If not, just like with what I have, you can develop peri-implantitis, which is an infection of the implant. Also, it can be really bad when you have the single tooth, because that can affect your surrounding teeth, your healthy teeth. Something that I have and that I would suggest you get, or anyone get that's going to get the implants, is a good water flosser. I have one that's got several attachments on it. It's got one that's got like a little brush on the end, and with the pressure of the water that comes out, you can adjust the pressure to however you want it. But with that little brush and then the pressure of the water that comes out of it, that is great to get food from around the implants. I really should be using that daily, and I don't. That's something that I have to get better about, because I think that would really help. And I think it would do more than just brushing alone. Okay, guys, I wanted to try to get an estimated cost on how much it costs to have the implants professionally cleaned for maintenance, you know. Something that I was wondering is, would it be more expensive to have an all-on-4 professionally cleaned versus a snap-in, you know, because with the all-on-4, they have to take the bridge out. Now, I asked Dr. Robert Emilio, who is a dentist from Norwalk, Connecticut, that's in my group on Facebook. This is what he told me. The cost thing will vary from zip code to zip code. Generally speaking, the patient is paying for the block of time schedule, not per se the type of dentistry on the implants, not the number of implants. So the cost does vary. That's for cleaning, and that's for having the implants placed. I mean, I've learned this since I've been doing this channel. You know, a lot of people want to know. I can tell you what I paid for mine, but I have found that the cost varies so much depending on where you live. I'm going to put the link in the description for Dr. Robert Emilio's blog. He has so many good articles on this for implants and just general dentistry. He's got one on dental tourism out. I mean, I could go through smoking and implants. I could go through and name, there's so many different ones. He's going to be doing something tonight on aftercare and maintenance of implants. So if you have time, please check out his blog. It's fantastic. I hope everyone has a fantastic week. I'm hoping to be back to work sometime this week, so I'm late with getting this video out, but I will upload another video on Saturday. So thank you guys so much for all your support. Thanks to my new subscribers. Have a great evening and have a great week.